Hello, this is Harvey Jai from Mass Communication. Now I'm again with another video. In this, I'm going to show you how you can download this extension HEVC free for Windows computer, in case if you took some picture from Apple phone, from iPhone, and you want to use those picture in Windows computer. Most probably you can't. So they tell you to install different extension. One of them is HEVC. I'll leave in the video description this page. So you can come to the page, hit here download button. It will take you different extension as you see here. The first one you can download. Here we go. Hit here. You see app bundle from Microsoft here. When it's done, click on that. If you already have this extension, in this case they will tell you to install here. So you have to hit install or reinstall if it's not working. Hit reinstall again. It's done. Hit close button. So now you can open all the picture in your phone that you couldn't open. If it's not working, you can check my next video in case of HEVC extension is not working, what to do. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, boy.